Hello and welcome to Learnivo Speaking Practice, where we improve fluency and confidence through real IELTS topics. Today's topic is hometown, a very common theme in IELTS Speaking Part 1. We'll go through 20 questions with sample answers that begin simple and gradually become more expressive and detailed. Feel free to speak along with the answers or pause and try responding on your own first. Let's get started.
Do you know anything about the history of your hometown?
Yes, I know a little. My hometown was originally a small village, and over time it developed into a town because of trade and transportation.
Did you learn about the culture of your hometown in your childhood?
Yes, I did. When I was young, we had school activities and local festivals that helped us learn about our cultural traditions and local customs.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is located in the northern part of the country, not too far from the capital. It's easy to travel there by train or bus.
Is that a big city or a small place?
It's not a very big city, but it's not tiny either. I would say it's a medium-sized town with a comfortable and friendly atmosphere.
Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I do. I have many memories there, and it feels familiar and welcoming every time I go back.
What do you like most about your hometown?
I really like the peaceful environment and the sense of community. People know each other, and life feels less rushed compared to big cities.
Is there anything you dislike about it?
The only thing I don't like is that there aren't many entertainment options. Sometimes it feels a bit quiet, especially for young people.
How long have you been living there?
I have lived there for most of my life. I only moved away recently for study and work, but my family is still there.
Do you like living there?
Yes, I enjoy living there because it feels safe and comfortable. Even though it's not very modern, the lifestyle is calm and stress-free.
Do you think you will continue living there for a long time?
I'm not completely sure. I might move to a bigger city for more job opportunities, but I would love to return to my hometown in the future.
Please describe your hometown a little.
My hometown has a mix of traditional and modern areas. You can see old buildings near the town center, while new shops and cafes are appearing in the newer districts.
What is your hometown famous for?
It's quite well known for its local food and a historical landmark that attracts visitors. Many tourists come just to taste the traditional dishes.
Did you learn about the history of your hometown at school?
Yes, in school we had lessons about our town's past. We even visited a small museum where we learned about important local events and famous people from our area.
Are there many young people in your hometown?
Yes, there are many young people, but some of them move to bigger cities for education or work. Still, during holidays, everyone returns and the town becomes lively again.
Is your hometown a good place for young people to pursue their careers?
To be honest, it depends on the type of job. For traditional jobs like teaching or small businesses, it's fine. But for modern careers or high-tech jobs, young people usually need to move to bigger cities.
How has your hometown changed over the years?
It has changed quite a lot. New roads, shopping centers, and public facilities have been built, making life more convenient than before.
Do you think your hometown will continue to develop?
Yes, I believe it will. The local government is investing in infrastructure and promoting tourism, so I think it has a bright future.
How do you feel when you return to your hometown after being away?
I always feel relaxed and happy. The atmosphere reminds me of simpler times, and it gives me a break from the busy life in the city.
Do you think hometowns influence people's personalities?
Yes, I think so. Growing up in a peaceful place can make people more calm and friendly, while big cities might make people more independent and competitive.
Would you recommend your hometown to visitors?
Yes, definitely. It may not be very famous, but it has a special charm, friendly people, and delicious food that I think visitors would really enjoy.
And that wraps up today's Learnivo IELTS speaking practice. I hope these sample answers gave you useful ideas and natural expressions for your IELTS speaking preparation. Remember, the key to a great answer is to be relaxed, confident, and personal. If you enjoyed this practice, make sure to subscribe to the Learnivo YouTube channel for more IELTS tips, vocabulary lessons, and speaking practice sessions. Thanks for listening. And remember, keep learning, keep improving, and keep shining bright like the hometown you carry in your heart.